Skipping user research is the absolute fastest way to burn through your entire development budget. You might think you know exactly what your users want, but you are probably wrong. UX research is the ultimate cheat code to building products people actually want to use, instead of products they just have to tolerate. When you actually take the time to understand the behaviors and desires of the people using your stuff, everything changes. First off, it saves a ridiculous amount of money. Finding out a feature is confusing before your engineers write a single line of code is way cheaper than trying to fix a broken mess after launch. It also makes your product stupidly easy to use. When things are intuitive, customer satisfaction goes through the roof. If your app just makes sense, you automatically win against competitors who make their users think too hard. The best part is that you do not have to guess how to do this. There are so many easy ways to figure out what people want. You can sit down and do one-on-one interviews to hear their actual frustrations. You can send out a quick survey or do some A/B testing to see which version of a design actually performs better. You can even just watch people use your app in their natural habitat to see exactly where they get stuck. Techniques like card sorting help you organize your messy navigation menus. And digging into your analytics shows you exactly where people are rage quitting. If you ever have to convince your boss or stakeholders to let you talk to users, just remind them that guessing is incredibly expensive, but knowing is profitable. Building blindly is a massive gamble, but doing the research guarantees you are building the right thing the very first time.